Authorities are in the South Bay investigating a deadly motorcycle crash that shut down lanes on Interstate 805. Let's get over to NBC7's Chris Chan. He has the very latest details. Chris.
Yeah, Mari, one of two men involved in a motorcycle accident has died, and that happened around 2 a.m. But right now, as you can see, the 805 North has been opened up after being closed for several hours. The accident happened around 2 a.m. near Sweetwater Road. It's unclear what caused the accident, but witnesses told CHP that 4 motorcyclists were riding together from a motorcycle event, and witnesses told them that they were going at around 90 to 120 miles per hour. Now, it's unclear why 2 motorcycle riders went down, but one of them the man who died ended up about 100 yards from where the actual motorcycles came to rest. Now, it was a very tragic scene. Some of the family members were there on the scene and emotionally very distraught after hearing what happened. Now, the 4 riders, we understand, were riding together, and there was a minivan, and the second motorcycle rider, may have been picked up by that minivan and took off, and it's unclear why they took off or where that man is now, but CHP is searching for that man at this moment. And again, the 805 North, all lanes open right now. Also, the 54 West junction is open, so traffic freeing up now. We're live at the 805 northbound. Back to you guys in the studio.
There we go.